In this one, I'm gonna show you why this simple little cube will up your sauce game. Mexican salsa and Japanese curry. They're two different types of sauces, but what happens when we marry them together? My YouTube short got a lot of attention when I did just that, so I'm gonna just dive into it a little deeper so I can show you guys how to make it. And I'm gonna show you how to make some snacks with it too, like a Loco Moco. Golden curry. This cube right here, this will up your sauce game. Simple little cube packed with so much flavor. Okay, so this video is starting off with the most important part, the chiles, ancho and guajillo. Now these dried chiles come a little tough, so we need to reconstitute them. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove the seeds and the stems from both of the chiles. The reason for taking out these is so that it's not bitter. The seeds are gonna make the sauce bitter, so we wanna take the seeds out of all of this. Now, setting my chiles aside, I'm going to start building the base, the salsa. I'm going to do tomatoes. I'm gonna have all the ratios in my website as well, link down below. So it's gonna be tomatoes, the bottoms of the scallions, the bottoms have the most flavor, and then some yellow onion, chile serrano. You can do optional serrano if you want, it's a little spicy. Yo, look how big this jalapeno is, it's massive. Then my jalapeno and my garlic. Then I'll give it a little drizzle of my olive oil, then toss it into a 500-degree oven and then broil it till I get it nice and charred. Now I'm gonna pull out a blender and then my burner, and I'm gonna go ahead and toast off my chiles. I'm gonna toast them off to reconstitute them. They're gonna make them more malleable. Then I'll add my spices. I'm gonna do some cumin, and then I'm gonna do some whole black peppercorn in there. Then give them a little toasty toast, and once they're nice and malleable, I can go ahead and blend them, but at this point I wanna add some stock. So I'm gonna do some chicken stock. You could do water, you could do veggie stock, whatever you want. Then I'll bring that to a simmer, then I'll cover it, let it sit for around 5 minutes, and then I'll toss that into my blender. This is gonna build our base here. Then the sauce, then all of our charred mirepoix for the salsa comes out of the oven, and then I toss it into the blender with the chiles. And before I blend it, I'm gonna add in this cube, the curry cube, the main star of the video. Now, someone said in the comments, I wonder what it would be like if he added 2. So I'm gonna add 2 this time. This is the same amount of salsa I made last time. So we're gonna see if it overpowers it. I think it might, but let's just try it. That smells a lot like just straight curry. That's really good, but 2 blocks definitely overpowered it. It's also, look at this, it's a lot thicker. So if that's what you want, try it out with the 2 blocks. I'll put the ratio in the website so you can see the recipe, but yeah, it's a little thick. So what I'll do to fix this is I'll just add some stock. This is just some chicken stock. Loosen it up a bit. And there we go. Now that's a nice sauce consistency. Doesn't even need salt. Yeah, this doesn't even need salt. Like I said, this sauce is beautiful. It's creamy, it's got a nice texture, and it just reminds me of mole. Very delicious, very complex. Now for this, I'm gonna make a little snack. I'm gonna make a Loco Moco, which is kind of like a burger, kind of not. Now just a reminder, if you think you're getting some value from this, please like the video, it really helps me out. Golden curry. Golden curry, these little blocks are a staple in many households. I'm gonna make a burger with it today. I turned it into a salsa. There it is. Loco Moco. Not authentic, by the way.